Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again. What's going on? I'm going to be doing a short tutorial showing how to purchase the Smartlands token, which has seen significant growth over the last couple of days on the StellarX decentralized market, because it's not really an exchange, it's more of a market. So what we're looking at right now, this is the StellarX decentralized market. This is the front interface where they give you the options. You have markets, wallet, and then activity. And this is how much activity you have open. I have 8 open orders as of right now, but it shows all the activity past transactions. Like when you go to activity, it gives you different options. You can look at all orders, transfers, complete network history, and funds added. You have the wallet here, and you move on to markets, and it shows you different options. The tokens, you can look at it in all tokens, and it'll show you all the tokens. You can put them in alphabetical order or by issuer, by the token ticker. You can go by price, by volume, top volume, which right now Smartlands token has the top volume right now at 1.073 million, and the 24-hour change. Now you also have the option to star certain currencies, and then you can bring them over here and pinned. When you come over here, you'll see all the currencies that you have, and these will pretty much be your favorites. Now on the platform, you have native tokens, which are the tokens that have been created on the StellarX exchange or on the StellarX, utilizing the StellarX technology. Most of these, if I'm not mistaken, most of these are actually tokenized utility coins, whereas they are, or not even tokenized utilities, tokenized assets, whereas there's an asset backing the actual coin. So like Atlantis Blue digital token. What's neat about this platform is that it actually allows you to check out each one of its native tokens, and then it takes you to the issuer's website. So if we click on atlantisblue.org, as you can see, it's going to take you to the actual website. Atlantis Blue digital tokens on the Stellar network. Fair trade Larimar. And little did I know, like we'll get into it a little bit. This is a crystal I never heard about. Atlantis Blue shows yet another real-world application of cryptocurrency, securing Larimar, a semi-precious gem. This stone is found only within a particular dead volcano on the Caribbean island of Hispaniola, alongside the Dominican Republic. Larimar is also known as the Blue Stone of Atlantis, hence the name for the platform. The Atlantis Blue project exists on the Stellar network, which is already well established and has a strong reputation in the crypto community. The new currency will be Atlantic Blue digital tokens, and it will dramatically improve the entire process of mining and selling Laminar. So, real interesting project, very interesting project. You can check it out if you ever come on the platform. The one that we are more so focused on today is Smartlands token. And let's see, right now up 22% within the last 24 hours. Glad I grabbed some. I'm gonna man. We were running. Let me see. I'm gonna bring this up on coin signals. We had a nice run. We dipped down. We took a nice dip just now, and I went in and I bought a lot on the dip. So let's see real quick. Coin signals. Now, when we pull this one up, we're gonna also go to their website, give you sort of an overview of what they got going on. Even though I've covered it a couple times. Here we go. So what we're looking at right here is look at that positive momentum coming in. We are a bit oversold. Just got that twist coming back right here. Right there. Let's see, what is that? That's that. Look at the amount of volume coming in right now also. High volume. Trading at $5.48 on average, according to coin signals right now. Let's see. let's look at a day chart. Wow, look at that. And this thing has just been moving. It's just been moving. I'm loving the StellarX decentralized market. This thing is one of a kind. I will tell you that. This is one of a kind. So, anyways, let's see. The way you would want to purchase, if okay, well, for those that may be new to the platform, if you have not sent any funds over yet, there's a couple ways. Over here on the right hand side, you will see deposit as well as withdraw. If you go to deposit, which is what you're looking for, it allows you to deposit USD in a certain way now, not just send it. USD, of course, Stellar, which is the way I advise individuals to go. Or you can actually go by way of another asset. What it's going to do is use the platform Changelly, and it's going to cross it over to XLM for you, and then send it in the form of XLM. So you can send whatever other currency, well, the many currencies that they have available. That is, they got a nice list. You can send them, and they'll exchange them over, but it's at a fee though. StellarX doesn't take a fee itself. They charge a 0.5% fee for the conversion also. So you can take that route. Now with the USD, StellarX accepts direct US dollar deposits via Anchor USD, the first platform on Stellar to offer the convenience of direct ACH debit. You'll need to submit some basic identity information to them and their banking partner, which takes just a few seconds. Then you can connect your bank and begin depositing USD directly to your Stellar account. The minimum cash deposits is 1,000 USD. Now, this is where a lot of people get caught up because they're like, damn, I got to put 1,000. Yes. Minimum cash deposit is 1,000 USD. Now, the only good thing about that, and this is for people that, you have people in different tax brackets. Anchor USD charges a flat $25 USD fee for the service. That right there is key for anyone that's coming by way of anywhere over $1,000 bucks. $25, no matter how big the transaction. So that's key. For those that want to send XLM, you would come here. You can either scan the QR code if you're sending from a mobile device, or you can copy and paste. And then you would check. Let me see. Once you send your funds, you would come over to activity. You would look at transfers. You would look over here for the funds. So, for instance, let's do this. This right here would be a transaction. You would follow it on the Stellar.expert. This is the Stellar Explorer, and this would be your transaction. I'm not going to run down everything. It pretty much gives you, like, and that's what I like about the Stellar platform and the Stellar network in general, that it's a user friendly interface. Like, even when we come here, I know all this looks complicated, but then they got question marks next to everything. So source account. This is the account that originates the transaction. The transaction must be signed by this account, and the transaction fee must be paid by this account. The sequence number of this transaction is based off this account. And you can read more if you choose to. That's just one way that they're making it easier for mass transition or mass use. This isn't as complicated as people make it to be. So let's see. Let's go over. We'll go to markets. You can look at it, like I say, 24-hour volume change. I usually come over here and I look at the change. Then I look at the volume, because you can see a high percent of a change. Like right here, you see 8,000%. Oh, but they do got 2.K in there now. So okay, I may look at it now. Earlier it was up like 8,000%. It was only like under 1K volume. So stuff like that you can get stuck in. So you want to be careful. What we're gonna do is head over here to Smartlands token. And I'm just gonna buy one just to show you how easy it is to utilize this platform. So right now you have the bids and the ask. These are the people that have XLM that are trying to purchase Smartlands token. These are the people that have Smartland token that are trying to sell it for XLM. Now, real quick, Smartland token is a security token. Plain and simple. Let's get into it real quick. Welcome to security tokens and embrace a new era of investment. Smartlands platform is a worldwide security token issuance platform. Use our ready, secure, and proven solution. Look, trading at $5.38. I think the first video I made where I introduced this, they were trading probably like $3.50, I think. Got a market cap right now of $27,450,505. They have a 24-hour volume of 616,000. Circulating supply of 5,100,896, and they got a total supply of 7,186,785. And these are the different platforms and companies that are working with them. Civic, Stellar, of course, EMS, Law Tax. Let me see. Investors. Be involved in a fast-growing crypto market. Create wealth by investing in well-managed and legally accountable security token offerings. Tokenize your business by issuing security tokens on our platform and attract funds to fuel your growth. Trade security tokens quickly and safely on the low-cost, built-in, decentralized exchange powered by the Stellar network, which is what we're utilizing now. You see asset tokenization concept. You can download a presentation, which I'll do. In fact, I'm going to do it after this video because I do want to get a full understanding of what's going on with this platform. Like I said, I'm more of a trader. When you trade, you can read charts. It really doesn't depend on what's going on with the platform itself. But the growth that I've seen with this, I had to come over here and check it out and see exactly what was going on. So it's looking like the use cases. You'll be able to utilize Smartlands for real estate, manufacturing, private shares, and agriculture. You see issue tokens of your business, create your own internal digital currency, and attract funds for developing your business. Okay, that's nice. Tokenization of commercial real estate property. So they give you sort of a breakdown of how it would go. Oh, I do apologize, family. I do apologize. Let me go get to the door. I do apologize for that, family. Family seems to be back. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get through with this demonstration real quick, just because it's time sensitive now. The amount of background noise that may be present, I don't want it affecting it in any way, shape, or form. So all you would do is you would come over to the platform. Once you have your XLM sent to it, you'll see you'll have a balance down here. And you would come to the buy window. You would pick the lowest available order. And in this instance, we're just going to buy one. It's going to cost me 23 XLM. So that's $5.99. We're going to hit, I'll get a lower order because I don't want to buy that high. $5.74. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go one higher, press buy. And now what I'm doing is I'm entering the order to buy at one price higher than this individual. So you see my order right there. Done. And I also have another order to buy 11 of them at a lower price. Here goes my one order right here. Now, what you'll see if this order gets picked up is it will be placed over here in recent trades. Also, it'll reflect your balance here. And then under activity, you'll also see it under completed orders. Right here, as you can see, I have a couple of buy orders set up. And once executed, those orders will be down here. As you can see, I've been trading in and out of Smartlands a bit. So this is just a quick demonstration on how to use the StellarX platform in order to buy Smartlands token. I hope this is pretty simple and easy for any individual that's watching this. If there's any questions, please leave a comment at the bottom. If this was helpful, if you can, just hit the like button. Share this if possible for anyone that may need to see the information. Until the next video, this is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.